So I just figured out that my dog's a cow. Yeah, she's eating grass. Anyways, so we're in the middle of a field. We're walking back to our campground now. Yeah. That's a big field. Just look at this. Hold up. And there's a lot of water. So I'm not wearing rain boots. There's my dog. There's my mom. Wave. She waved. Anyways, this is how big the field is. Pretty big. But now we're gonna walk home. It's starting to get dark at anyways, it's getting dark at 5:06, 5:07. We're walking back now. But have a good day, night, afternoon.